Hey people, how's it going? And today we are going to be talking about the impact plastic spray bottles. Yeah, now I use these for several different reasons. I bought a few of them. I actually bought 3 of them because they were on sale and I really needed some spray bottles to do various things. I use one for, spraying some of the plants I have at my house or watering them, which is this one. That's why I have water in this. And I also use the spray bottle also for spraying cleanser on my countertops and everything from a cleaning solution that I make up by hand. Yeah, and the other one I use for also another cleansing solution to clean toilets and my bathtub. Yeah, so these are pretty good spray bottles, and it's nice that they have if you can see that, they have graduations on the side, so you can tell how much you're putting in and everything. It's really good measurements on the side. Yeah. So it keeps track of how much you're putting in there. And the plastic is very, very durable. It pops back really nicely if it's squeezed, and you can drop these and you don't have to worry about cracking or anything like that. And the material is very strong, is extremely chemical resistant. So it's prepared for just about any kind of cleanser that you want to put in there. It will be able to take it. It's not going to, the cleanser or whatever you're using is not going to do anything to the plastic. It's not going to eat away at it or anything like that. You can even put bleach in there and it would be just fine, The only pet peeve I have with these is this part right here is very small and very thin, and it's the part that you squeeze from here. Okay, now when this bottle is full, you can really feel the weight of how heavy this bottle is right here, this part. Now when you're holding it like this neck is so thin and there's not much area in the back here to hold the bottle up. You only have this slightly small lip here. So it would be nice if you had like a longer part right here to fit over your hand, because every now and then it feels like this part is slipping. You see what I'm saying? Slipping from your hand. So you have to squeeze this little, looks like a duck's neck. You have to squeeze this really tight to keep this part from slipping. So if it had like a larger piece right here, just a slightly larger piece of plastic to rest against this part of your hand, it would be a much better bottle that way. It'd feel more comfortable to spray, And yeah, that's the only thing I have. These are a very economical price, and like I said, I bought 3 of them, and I bought them all at the same time, thinking that these spray bottles were all the same, and I was like, oh yeah, I need a spray bottle, let me get this, this, and this. But I noticed that feel of it after I started using it. So yeah, that's my only real pet peeve of using this kind of bottle, but it still works very well. The spray that comes out is like in a cone shape. So I'm not sure if you can see this, but it's kind of, you see, kind of coned like, and it covers a lot of area. It really does, and that's really good. I like that part of it a lot. It really gets the job done, and it covers lots of surface area that you're spraying. And yeah, it works very well when it comes to trying to cover a lot of space on tables or windows or mirrors and stuff if you're cleaning that. And you want to get the cleaning solution on the entire area quickly. Yeah, works very good. Yeah, I like this bottle a lot, but you know, it's only that back part that bothers me. Yeah, okay. Well, we've been talking about the impact plastic spray bottle. All right, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.